You're in your 40s with little to no retirement savings and you don't know how to catch up. In this video, I will show you how to achieve your retirement savings goal. I'm Tony, a CPA and financial planner here in Canada. I'm glad you're here. At 40, you still have 20 to 25 years before retirement. That might not sound like a lot, but it's enough time for compound interest to work absolute magic if you know what steps to take. Your strategy needs to match your situation because the approach that works for someone earning $120,000 is completely different from someone earning $50,000. Today, I will show you the exact 5-step plan you need based on your income level. The first thing you need to do is figure out how much you need to save for retirement. And here's the good news. It's less than you think. Your retirement number depends on your life, your expenses, and your goals. I have a video on this titled, "You Don't Need $1 Million to Retire." I'll link it at the end of this video. Watch that first if you haven't already, because knowing your target number turns "I need to save more" into "I need to save this much." And that clarity makes all the difference. Once you know your number, then you can build your catch-up plan. And that's where income level comes in. Your income level determines which financial opportunities you can access and which challenges you need to overcome. So let's go through each plan and you can find yours. Let's start with high income earners, $120,000 and up. We'll call her Michelle. Michelle, here's your plan. Step 1, max out all tax advantaged accounts. This is your number one priority. In Canada, that means your RRSP. You can contribute 18% of your income, which is $21,600 a year. That's $1,800 a month, and you can get immediate tax deduction. At your tax bracket, you're saving roughly 30 to 40% in taxes right away. Your TFSA, max it out at $7,000 a year. That's about $583 a month, and everything grows completely tax-free. Your goal is to save 35% of your gross income in these accounts. Step 2, aggressively eliminate high interest debt. You cannot afford to pay 18% on a credit card while earning 8% on investments. Pay off credit cards within 6 to 12 months. Car loans next. Student loans only if they are above 6%. Step 3, crush lifestyle inflation. This is the number one wealth killer for high earners. Every raise becomes a bigger house, a fancier car, more expensive vacations. Use the 50-50 rule. When you get a $10,000 raise, your lifestyle goes up by $5,000 and your savings go up by $5,000. Half and half. Step 4, add real estate and alternative investments. You have access to opportunities that others don't. Don't buy a bigger house than you need. Consider a rental property if it's cash flow positive. Open a taxable brokerage account once your retirement accounts are maxed out. And invest in low-cost index funds. Step 5, work with professionals. At $120,000 and up, the return on investment on professional help is massive. A good accountant can save you $5,000 to $15,000 a year in taxes alone. That pays for itself immediately. Now, the moderate earner, $60,000 to $120,000. We'll call her Sandra. Sandra, you have solid income, but every dollar has to work harder. Step 1, employer match first, then RRSP or TFSA. First, contribute to your employer RRSP up to the match, usually 3 to 6% of your salary. If your employer matches 5% on $80,000, that's $4,000 a year in free money. You put in $333 a month, but you're saving $667 total. Second, open a TFSA and aim for the full $7,000 a year. Tax-free growth is powerful. Third, go back to your RRSP and increase your total contributions to 10 to 15% of your income. Your goal is to save 15% to 20% of your gross income. That's about $1,000 to $1,300 a month. Step 2, automate everything and avoid fee erosion. At moderate income, fees are your enemy. A 1% fee versus a 0.04% fee equals $170,000 difference over 40 years. Set up automatic transfers the day after payday. Choose lowest cost index funds in your accounts. And if you're using an advisor, make sure they're fee only, not charging 1% of your assets every year. Step 3, strategic debt elimination. You can't max retirement and pay off all debt at once, so balance it. Always capture the employer match first. It's 100% instant return. Then attack high interest debt aggressively, anything above 7%. For medium interest debt between 4 and 7%, split your extra money, half to debt, half to retirement. Step 4, increase your income by 20 to 30%. Growing your earnings is a faster path to wealth than only saving. A $15,000 raise is worth more than years of extreme frugality. Ask for a raise, get a certification, change jobs strategically. Job switchers earn 10 to 20% more on average. Or add side income. 5 to 10 hours a week can bring in $500 to $1,500 a month. Finally, the modest income earner, under $60,000 a year. We'll call her Ellie. Ellie, every dollar matters here. This is about maximizing efficiency, capturing all free money, and focusing hard on income growth. Step 1, capture all free money first. At modest income, you cannot afford to leave any free money on the table. Get your full employer RRSP match. Look into the Canada Workers Benefit. You might be eligible for up to $1,428 back if you're single, or $2,461 if you have a family. That's real money. Step 2, TFSA. Start small, stay consistent. You're in a low tax bracket, around 20 to 25%. This is the perfect time for TFSA contributions because you never pay taxes on that growth again. Can't do $583 a month? Start with $50 to $100. Even $50 a month over 20 years at 8% return becomes $29,000. Set up auto transfer the day after payday. Increase by $10 to $25 every 6 months. When you get a raise, put 50% of the increase here. Step 3, emergency fund before aggressive retirement saving. At modest income, one emergency can force you to raid your retirement accounts and pay penalties. Build a mini emergency fund, $1,000 first, then $2,500. For the first 6 months, split your savings 50-50 between employer match and emergency fund. Once you hit $2,500, shift focus fully to retirement. Step 4, income growth is critical. At modest income, you cannot save your way to wealth. You must increase earnings. This is non-negotiable. Get certifications or training. A $2,000 investment can lead to a $20,000 salary increase. Change jobs every 2 to 3 years for 15 to 25% raises. Add side income 10 to 15 hours weekly. Your goal is to get to $70,000 or more within 3 to 5 years. Step 5, avoid these wealth killers. High interest credit cards at 18 to 24% will destroy you. Pay this off before retirement savings beyond the employer match. Don't buy or lease new cars. A $35,000 car on a $50,000 salary is financial suicide. Never use payday loans. They're 300 to 400% interest. So here's what matters. Michelle, control lifestyle inflation. Sandra, grow your income. Ellie, consistency wins. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Here's what you do today. Pick your plan. Write down step 1. Do it this week. You've got this. And I'll see you in the next video.